Sarah, thank you for joining me.
Okay.
Why is offset not as mainstream as it is?
I'm not really sure. The research that we've got at Barclays tells us that actually the offset audience is typical of a mortgage customer, ranging from the age of 37 up to 50, and also in a standard type housing, so a semi-detached house or a detached house, slightly over average income level, but lots of people that actually benefit from an offset mortgage talk about it to friends, etc., but we don't seem to promote it within the industry. So it is one of those things that we think should be talked about a lot more.
Well, you guys are bucking the trend in terms of the offset deals that you've put out on the market. Do you think other lenders will follow suit next year?
I hope so. Competition's always good. I think what's good for the customer is also good for everybody to get their message out there and try and get customers to buy into that proposition. I think flexibility next year is absolutely key for customers. I think ultimately if they are having a month where they perhaps need to think about fixing the car or the boiler and things like that, the offset mortgage gives them an excellent opportunity then to do that in a well thought out way. So for customers in 2012 in the economic climate, it is the right product for us.
How can you improve consumer knowledge on offset mortgages, because they can appear to be quite complex at first and they're quite difficult to explain in a simple way. How do you think lenders will work towards making them much easier for consumers to understand?
We've got customer research that talks about customers wanting flexible products, and I think in their mind they think flexible and they think along the parameters of what an offset mortgage is, and I don't think we as an industry interpret some of those signs correctly. So ultimately I think when we talk about offset mortgages as an industry, we need to reflect back the language that the customer's talking about. We do as much as we can. We've had TV adverts, we've taken out press, but ultimately we need people to talk face to face to customers about it, so that's where the intermediaries are absolutely key to it.
I'm just going to finish off with remortgages, because that's big business for next year. How many consumers out there, mortgage holders, are sitting on the lender's SVR right now?
There are huge amounts of customers on SVR, and it changes on a regular basis. So as customers drop off their end of terms, and in January and February next year, we're expecting another at least 4 billion off of some of the latest products, so the 2009 and some of the 2006 customers. So it's building all the time, and I think we've gone out to the marketplace with 800,000 customers is the latest figure that we've been publishing out there. So huge opportunity out there for people to look at remortgages, go back to their customers and make sure that they're doing the best by their customers.
Sarah, thank you for joining me today.
It's all right. Thank you very much.
Brilliant.